Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is watermelon face pack. Watermelons, the ultimate summer delight, is here in our beauty club. Let's explore some amazing face packs that watermelons to do treat all the skin's issues summer gets along. Watermelons are a very good source of vitamin A, which makes it great for the skin, and vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. It is rich in antioxidants, which makes it an excellent choice for slowing down the aging process. It's a skin tonic, I can say, loaded with 90% of water and enriched with natural sugars and antioxidants. Here are few wonders watermelons do to your skins. It hydrates your skins, unlocks moisturizes, reduces oiliness and acne, and heals dry skins, enhances new cells formation, boosts collagen production, slows down aging process. Beauty is about being comfortable in your own skin, but once you are in your 20s, you end up having an issue almost every alternative day. Let's treat them carefully. Watermelon face pack. Ingredients are watermelon and honey. Take few drops of honey and 2 tablespoons of watermelon juice. Apply the mix all over the face and neck and let it dry for 20 minutes and wash. Using honey for skin is always a good idea, mixed with natural ingredients. Found in your kitchen makes for effective and inexpensive beauty treatment. Applying honey regularly on your skin can give a result beyond your imagination and can go a long way in giving you a health, younger look and glowing skin. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please follow and subscribe our channel.